Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the AOC AGON 49-inch gaming monitor. In the box we have the power cable, stand, a box with a variety of cables including display, HDMI, USB-B and a remote, and then underneath we have the screen. Assembly wasn't the easiest as the parts were a little heavy and big, although this is to be expected from a 49-inch monitor. Saying that, I did get it up and ready to go within a few minutes, so overall setup wasn't too bad as it was just two parts that clicked and screwed into place. First of all, this beast of a monitor has an incredible design that works really well to give an immersive gaming experience, from its sheer size to its thin bezels which give you the maximum screen space and the curvature which makes the screen seem even bigger. The stand is futuristic and feels really sturdy, and it doesn't take up too much desk space, which is nice. The design is unique but still quite minimalistic, so will fit in pretty much any room, as long as you have the desk space for the rest of the monitor of course. This monitor allows you to adjust the height, tilt and swivel, which is fab as it gave me a range of adjustability to find a positioning that was comfortable for me. It can't be rotated, but that's fine as I can't see why you'd want this portrait anyway. It's also Visa mountable, so it can be wall mounted if you'd prefer. The buttons are on the bottom right and allowed me to easily control a range of settings. The remote that came with this made it really easy to change source, volume and much more, which was great. In terms of ports, we have a headphone, 3 USBs, a USB-B, USB-C, 2 display and 2 HDMI. The USB-C means you can connect it up to your USB-C notebook or laptop to charge and use as a display. Plus, the USB-C gives really fast data transmission, which was brilliant for me as I could even transfer 4K video content I had created in less than a minute. When it comes to this display, I was absolutely wowed. This huge 49-inch display is also curved up at 1800 radius, so wrapped right around my line of sight. This made it even more immersive as I really felt part of the game, especially on games like Hellblade and Call of Duty. The image quality is also unreal as this is dual quad HD, meaning images looked incredibly sharp and detailed whether this was on games or high definition content. The VA panel gave me bright and bold colours on a range of content, and it also has brilliant colour reproduction as it covered 121% of the sRGB colour spectrum and 90% of the Adobe colour spectrum. Although there was a tiny amount of distortion when viewing from extreme angles, this didn't really bother me as a curved monitor, it is designed for you to be sat directly in front of it anyway. It also has a blue light filter which helped to reduce eye strain and kept me comfortable for a full day of gaming. In terms of audio, we have two 5-watt speakers which reach really loud volumes and really impressed me to be honest, as the audio sounded immersive on a range of titles. Right, now let's get into the important bit, the gaming specs. This monitor has a 120Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. Whilst there are some monitors on the market that have higher refresh rates, this 120Hz monitor was a real sweet spot between crisp visuals and smooth gameplay. I didn't experience any lag or blur when gaming, which was brilliant for first-person shooters and other fast-paced games. This, combined with the crosshair feature, can give a competitive advantage thanks to faster and more accurate images. I also didn't experience any stutter or tearing thanks to Freesync Premium Pro. This allowed me to get even more immersed in the gaming experience as visuals were smooth and fluid. This has a range of preset gaming modes that allow you to easily have the best settings for what you're playing. Or if you don't like any of these, you can save your own custom settings to return to later. And it has a light tuner which can help you spot any hidden enemies lurking in the shadows without overexposing the screen. Overall, this is a pretty awesome monitor. Not only does its sheer size and curvature make gaming way more captivating, its dual quad HD display gives super sharp visuals, and its gaming specs make this a brilliant monitor for gaming on. What do you guys think? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.